Gohan! Finally, they're sweeping the streets. Hey, you come here, crazy kid. Finally! Today's the big day. I think we're gonna go pick up the Supra. So nice outside too. Birds are chirping, and I think it's time. Like the roads are actually clean here now. No more snow from what I can tell from the forecast. And I'm pretty sure the Toyota people at South Point are fed up with seeing this blue thing in their... Well, actually, no, I'd have that thing as a centerpiece. Why not keep it in your dealership? See you guys at Toyota. Guys, Howard said it'd be ready for us. There it is. What are we doing, Shane? It's too early. All right, guys. Here it is. Our vanity plate for this thing. God damn. Howard. Well, this is actually the first time ever I've sat in this. Because when we came to check it out, I sat in the black one. All right, bro. Oh.
Gonna start it up.
Shit, dude. I'm scared, I'm scared. What have you said before? You're like, if you ain't blue, you ain't true. God damn, man, what are we doing, guys? Actually, no, it's been here for too long. It's time to take this thing home. I'm gonna need you to drive the FRS though.
Sure.
Thanks, homie. What do you think, Shane? Big boy things.
Sick. Yeah, very nice.
We need to work on getting you your Shelby now. Yo, let's take you in. Oh my god, what are we doing, guys? First of all, this is like a rare breed. It's like seeing a rare Pokemon. You don't see many on the road. And the last time I saw one on streets in Calgary, it was like 2 years ago, it was a black one. And it's probably the one that's sitting in their showroom right now that was returned. Gotta get myself accustomed to this. Gotta learn how to drive automatic again. Well, Triptonic. So, the paddle shifters, man. And this too. Yeah, that's it, man.
Where is it?
It's so weird.
Oh, maybe it's on the side. Is it on the sides? No, it's in the front. It's just stupid. It's a little different. It's always fun trying to guess where it is.
Seriously?
Forgetting where it is.
Duh.
Okay, yeah, from the get-go, man, we're gonna be driving this thing on sport, and the braking period's 1,500 kilometers. Alright. I'll keep that in mind. And right now, it's running the Michelin Pilot Super Sport. So these are actually pretty decent tires. So there is no latch. Been waiting too long for this. I really appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you, man.
You sure you don't want to keep this thing for a few more weeks? Nah, it's time. Road legal. Yo, thank you. Honestly, before we even went and bought the Supra, we were just like, what license plate would go good with this? And the first thing that came out of this kid's mouth was, "Soup's up." And I'm like, that's it. That's it. And then we go on Google and we search it up and it's like, soup's on. But if you guys don't know what the terminology means, it's like everybody eats or it's dinner time. So kind of makes sense. Soup's on. It worked. Oh, it's one of those.
Yeah, they slide it.
Damn, that's high tech, man. Guys, if you want to get hooked up with new Toyota, come to South Point and ask for Howard. It's Eddie's brother actually, but he made it, honestly guys, smoothest transaction for the Supra. Now it's ours. Let's go have fun with it. Guys, Supra acquired. So we're gonna bring it to the casino parking lot and do a couple of shots. And also, I really need to gather my thoughts before I take this on the highway. Because this is way more powerful than the FRS. Oh, first things first. Sport mode. Boop. And Shane is taking the FRS. All right, let's go. Yo, this thing has a backfire. Since the casino's closed, this is a perfect spot. It's also way smaller in the inside than the FRS is. It almost reminds me of 370, actually. It's exactly like a 370. The harness bar goes like right behind these two seats, so. All right. Perfect, bro. Let's park here. That down. What? All right, so you press this to go into park mode, and then this is the parking brake. Boom. Crazy. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. What are we doing? Yo, those kids were staring hard. All right. Yeah, no, this is fucking dope. Never really saw myself ever getting a Supra, but it kind of just happened, and now I'm like, yeah, it's all sinking in right at this very moment. Holy shit, I still really need to learn how to drive this thing. You've been driving Triptonic with your G, so honestly, if I have questions, I can go to these guys. Do you want to take it for a test drive in this parking lot? Yo, saw you, bro. Open up, open up. Oh, so as you can see though, the previous owner, before he returned it to the Toyota, did a little bit of work. He blacked out the roof, and almost like the FRS, he did half of this part black, but I definitely would have done it from here. Man, this thing is insane. Oh, so pretty side by side. Put that down. Yo, first time driving a Supes. Just hope no one steals the FRS.
Bro, do you want to take the key out?
Oh, sure. You know what? I'll do that first.
What, the fucking rear view is so small. The window, look at the back window.
Yeah, I like how this is carbon. Whoa.
That's crazy. Oh,
safety first.
a lot of fucking...
Yeah, no, right?
Driving the 2020 Supra. It's too many rocks here, Bernie.
Oh, actually, this is a bad spot to do this shit.
I don't want to take
This is Rock City, man. They didn't even clean it here.
See the heads-up display?
Huh?
In the windshield?
Only probably in your position. I can't see it.
Really?
Yeah, I can't see it.
You're too short? Are you serious?
It's the angle. It's like the Beamer or the BMW. It shows you, but I can't see it right now.
When you were driving, you didn't notice it?
I didn't.
Ooh,
I didn't know it had
cool.
it.
Wow.
So gotta learn so much.
There's too many rocks here, man.
Okay, yeah. I kind of wanted to let Shane drive this thing, but this is the worst place to even push it a little. So maybe we'll just bring it back to the garage for now. Perfect. We'll just park it in front of this horse and take some nice photos. Stock photos. I promised myself, before we get too heavy on the modifying, let's actually drive this thing. Well, first of all, break it in, but then drive it as is and really get a feel for its stock. I'm gonna get a sound clip of this outside, okay? Give it a go. Yes! Nice, man. Hey, take that back. Synth play has got to be one of my favorite things on this thing, other than the Supra itself. But yo, let's bring this to the garage. We'll do more photos there and show you guys around. I still really need to learn a lot about this thing. Sure. Okay.
Sure, I'd like that.
See you at the garage. Wait, what the fuck? Dude, for a second I thought that was ours. You guys want to hear stock exhaust on the Supra? After the braking period, we'll throw on the exhaust. But that's what it sounds like. Oh, okay. Guys, this is still so very surreal to me. Who would have thought? I think it was like a YouTuber thing, man. Everyone jumped on it in 2019. SEMA was basically considered a super show. I mean, better late than never, and honestly, I think this was a good choice for me. Moving up from a Toyota previously, other than it being all BMW inside, I think it's gonna be fairly easy to learn on this thing. So we're gonna try to tackle most of the aftermarket installation stuff by ourselves on this thing and try to also make it informative for you guys. Sonny just got here. It's looking like a car show back here every day. Check out this Camaro. Custom decals boys have been busy. And yeah, actually the rest of the gang's here too. Damn. You got this random IS350. Yeah, bro. Car season is definitely upon us.
I like yours too.
Oh, thanks, man. What's that doing?
I still can't believe you.
Hasn't really sunk in yet.
Oh, that's so sick.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's so nice. Yo, the color is amazing, man.
Downshift blue, for anyone wondering. That's what it's called, and I'm definitely gonna keep it as is for a good while. Maybe not. Actually, perfect time for me to get a small crash course because this kid probably knows a lot more about this car than I do. So, show me the button functions, bro.
One thing, when you put it in a sport mode completely, it turns off everything. So you can go sliding if you want. Fun and dangerous button.
Yeah.
So, by the way, this car is rated at 335 horsepower. On paper, that's what they said to sell it on the market. But if you do bring in any dyno, you're gonna have to exceed that number way more. Plus this car, yeah, pretty much close to over 400 torque.
Our partial sponsor, AWE Tuning. These guys sent me one of their exhausts to test on this guy. So, and we actually already have a downpipe. The AMS downpipe with the AW Tuning exhaust. Gonna sound rowdy. Good choice.
Good choice.
With you!
First year FRS, now this.
But the past 5 years, hell fun, man. So honestly, I wouldn't have traded it for anything else. The FRS was such a good choice. Now it's 2020, brand new decade. The world's kind of like at a standstill because of this COVID bizarreness. With all this spare time, utilize it, man. Grow yourself and become a better person. The recession, it'll pass. This COVID stuff, we'll come up with a cure eventually. My 2 cents, stay away from the media and continue living your lives the way you want to. Pretty cool. It has one of these JDM aftermarket pocket things. You can buy those for $5 on Amazon. These in Supras. Woo! I've already hit the sill so many times. I'm gonna start my eBay phase right now. Phase 1. Let's tint the side marker lights. Get rid of the red and orange. Make it a little more sleek.
British airstrike. Like, oh no!
Come on, guys. Room now? Yeah. Decided we're gonna do a mini photo shoot while we got the gang all collected up. Still keeping our distance, okay? So we'll set these guys up, bring our Supra over, and then take some nice shots. One more red car. One more red car. For this photo, we need your red car. Okay. Alright, keys. So showy. First time driving this thing. Oh, it's remote starter. What the? How the fuck? There's a big start button. Here it is, guys. Everyone leveling up slowly. This is a nice little crew. Okay, yeah, we got a little color scheme going on here. Thank you. Honestly, if it weren't for your guys' support and just for following us on this adventure, it keeps us motivated to do these things, you know, and to share our process with you guys. I know the DIYs and the tutorials are the kinds of videos on my channel that do a lot better than just my usual vlog type videos, but I think it's those videos that people can learn from and that are a little more relatable, that, you know, kind of coincide with other people. So this is cool.
You know what you do to me. I can see it in your face, I can see it in your eye. You know you should tell me things, then you go so on lines. Girl, why do we play these games when there's nothing at stake? We can make it so easy. I can make it so easy for you, baby. I can make it so easy for you, baby.
Get as much content as you can, guys, before winter hits us again and we have nothing to post. Thing about us Canadians, literally, our summer started last week. That's why we're doing car shit now, okay?
There's no wine buggies here. Stock, what do you do about it?
Hey, that's right. Not for long.
Yo, your car is so fast, I don't think we can catch up to you.
It's okay. I'm not even gonna speed, so. These cars look so good. Who knew getting into the car game would bring us to this point, you know? Me, never. We got a Happy and we still have to name her. You're thinking something along the lines of soup, like Japanese soup, ramen, miso. Yo, it's nighttime. It's light time.
See the
Oh,
button
here.
on the stem?
Oh, that's high beans.
Yeah.
And then
There's a button inside to feel this
what?
at the end.
Is it actually 98 kilometers?
Yeah.
It's that fresh?
Yeah.
Yo, it's brand new.
God damn, I thought this was returned.
No, dude, you didn't buy anything. This is brand new.
Cool! I have no use for the other buttons. I don't know what they do.
Oh, see here. Oh, message.
Yo, if you put it in sport mode, does it change the cluster?
Oh!
Leave it in sport mode. Yeah.
3.
Yo, that's hilarious. We all get giddy. Is that the Supra? I thought I was driving in sport mode. Oh, thanks.
Now we can call you Stock Boy.
Dude, this is sick. You can change the dampening.
Customize your stand.
Okay, it's like Gran Turismo. Set driver profiles depending on who's driving this car.
Oh, cool. Your horsepower reading and your
Yeah,
torque
and the
reading.
torque, yeah.
Nice, let's leave it on for now. See, let's try it. Oh, that's cool. Okay, one more.
Yeah, no! Stop right there, 15 seconds, that's all. This probably would never have happened if it weren't for you guys and your mad support for this channel. Now I have to pick up the pieces and do a little bit of catching up and actually come out with more content for you guys, because that's why you're here in the first place. Because there aren't that many shows happening this year, it's almost like a hidden blessing, you know? The world has given us time. And with this time, just gotta take advantage of it and better yourself. I said this earlier, you wanna get out of this thing stronger. And we're doing a pretty good job. So hopefully we can inspire you guys to do the same. And yeah, man, we're just a couple of kids, friends hanging out, doing car things, and it's just cool that we have an audience. And the thing about YouTube, or anything for that matter, is like nothing's stopping you but your own mindset. And there is an audience for anything and everything online. So don't be scared to put yourself out there, because honestly, that's the only way you can get recognized is you gotta brand yourself a little bit, you know? Opportunities don't just come like that, and sometimes they do, and you're just not prepared for it, so you can't capture it in that moment. So that's it, guys. More Supra content for you in the near future, I promise. Let me just get used to it first. I'm gonna end this video here. So if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop some likes, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.